How you doing, guys? In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to replace fuel pump in Honda Civic 2008. So you can see over here they have a two long stick bar that you have to take it out. I think the ball is 10 millimeter ball. Sorry, 12 millimeter ball. First, you have to open your trunk in the back. It's located in the back trunk, and then after that you can pull your back seat, okay, from the side. Just pull it out with a strong power, and in the middle of the seat they have a 10 millimeter bolt that you have to take it out so you can remove the underneath the back seat. Okay, so you just need to fill it and take it out. And this, after I take it out the bowl, okay, it's gonna be like this. Then you can remove the underneath the back seat more easier. You can pull it out, okay. And after that we have to remove the top of the back seat. To do that, you have to go back to your back trunk and pull the button over there and this side and the other side. After you pull it, you go back to the the back seat, and then you pull down. Then over here they have a ball too. You have to remove that on here, and the other side I think is 12 millimeter ball. Okay. The point is we have to remove the middle stick bar that protect the cover of a fuel pump. So there you go, that's the bowl. After you can remove that, you can see over here the middle one like this. Then you have to remove that one also. I think it's a 12 millimeter ball also. Okay, you have to remove both of that. I try to put my camera steady, so hang on with me, just a little bit. Okay, then you remove that. After finish to remove that, then you can easy to pull it out the bar. And after that you have to remove the four ball that using a screwdriver, the plus one, to remove the cover of the fuel pump. Okay, you can use a towel to clean it up because we almost close to the fuel pump, and the fuel pump is underneath that is our gasoline, so better you have to clean very well so no dust or dirty stuff drop to the fuel. Then after you take out this, you have to be careful to remove the cover because they have a cable connected between the cover and the fuel pump. As you can see over there, it's so dirty. And then I slowly wiggling and pull it out the connecting, okay, connecting cable. Oh, before the remove the cable, I gonna clean all the surface of the fuel pump, and this one I using a balloon pump to create the air. So if you guys have like a blow air machine or something, that you can use it. See, before so dirty, now it's already clean. And when I pull out the cable, I so lucky because the cable is burned over there, and underneath is gasoline. I'm so lucky because probably can be burned. So I clean it up, and be careful that some gasoline gonna come out from there, so you have to be careful. Okay, remove all the connecting and wipe it up with the towel, clean towel. So because you have to make sure that no dirt that drop inside your gas tank. Okay, because later on probably gonna be stuck or something. So just make sure it's clean. Okay. Then we gonna open that fuel pump with a screwdriver and a hammer. You have to hammer it to the side of that. You can see the line that like a little bit go up like the edges or something. Then you have to hammer that over there. Right now I try to secure the cable. Then I use the hammer to turn the side. You can see getting turned. Okay, this is took a little bit time. This video I fast forward, so actually in the real time it's not that fast to turn it on, so it's very strong. So you can see over there, slowly by slowly it's turning. Okay, and when you hammer that, all the dirt come out again, so you have to clean and hammer it, clean and hammer it. Okay, keep doing that until you feel loose. Like need a little bit patient for that one. But eventually it's gonna get lost, and yep, that's kind of like the almost close to the final process to remove this fuel pump. So for the people that wondering why I replace my fuel pump, because when I start my car it's running a little bit, and after that just turn it off, shut down. So that's why I find out that's the fuel pump from the computer analysis that I plug into my car. This is after you remove the seal over there. You clean it up again one more time to make sure, because when you pull out, then the gas tank is underneath. So make sure no dirt or any dirty thing. Okay, get your bucket ready. Then yep, that's it. Here you go. Actually, the process is so easy. The point is you just need to remove your back seat to open all the cover of the fuel pump. And yeah, for replace that with the new one, you just reverse the process of what we just go through from the beginning. So this is my old fuel pump. Okay, we make sure to clean up one more time because we're gonna later on replace with the new one. I using the balloon pump to blow the air, and this is the new one. Make sure the part is, you know, that the one that your car needed, and yeah, just replace it. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and this is the new video to replace my old one that people say too much music. I tried to fix it, but it's not. So this is the new water pump. I mean fuel pump, sorry, fuel pump. But anyway, thank you. Hopefully you guys enjoy my video. Please share and like, support my channel and support my work so I can, um, you know, do more about this topic or anything else. And this is, I show you the lucky that I am. Thank you. Have a blessed day.